So this is our cell poster. Here it is in all its glory. And so we're just going to go through one by one and explain everything. So I'll go ahead and I'll start with the mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell. It makes ATP, which are molecules of energy. And the inner folds are called cristae, and they form from enzymes.
On my side, I have the outside of the cell, which is the cell membrane. It's this pink right here. It's selectively permeable, which means it only allows certain things to go in and certain things to come out. And it's both hydrophobic and hydrophilic, so it's made of phospholipids, which have heads and tails that are hydrophobic and hydrophilic, which form the bilayer that is the cell membrane.
So next we have the smooth ER, and that makes and transports fats, which are also known as lipids. That's right here.
Next we have cytoplasm, which is a fluid-like material, and it holds everything in the cell in place so that everything's not just floating around. Keeps it where it needs to be.
Next we have the Golgi body. It looks like a stack of pancakes, some say. And it modifies and packages proteins in the cell.
Next we have the centriole, which is only found in animal cells, and it's these structures inside. They help the cell divide. Before cell division, they kind of go to separate sides, which just helps the cell divide in mitosis.
Next, there's the nucleus. It's the control center, and not all cells have a nucleus, so that is this whole item right here.
Next is the centrosome, which organizes the microtubules inside of the cell. It regulates the cell division cycle, and it's only found in animal cells along with the centrioles.
So next in the nucleus we have the nucleolus, and that makes ribosomes and RNA within the nucleus, and that is this green dot right here.
So Emma said that the nucleolus makes ribosomes, which is this orange dot right here, and ribosomes are either on the rough ER or they're just found free floating within the cell, and they make and transport proteins for the cell.
Next we have the nucleoplasm, and that holds the nucleus and the chromatin in place, and it acts as the cytoplasm for the nucleus. It kind of holds everything together.
Next is the rough ER, which is just on the other side of the smooth ER, and the only difference is it has ribosomes on it, which makes it look bumpy or rough, and it makes and transport the proteins from the ribosomes.
Next we have the microvilli, so that's this item right here. It increases the surface area of cells, and it's involved in absorption, secretion, and cellular adhesion.
Next we have a lysosome, which is kind of like the cleanup crew of the cell, and it's also known as the stomach of the cell because it digests other cells like old cells and other just cellular debris.
Last on my side we have the cilia, and that's also kind of like the microvilli. It has tails. Eyelashes. It has eyelashes is what we called it. They're like little hairs, and they move substances in the cell.
Last on my side is the peroxisomes, which detoxify the cell and detoxifies alcohol and other poisons within the cell, and it can also break down fatty acids into sugars for the cell.
Alrighty, that's it.
There's our cell.